Hi there and welcome back to Kendamas for Grandmas. Now, I was going to film today's video outdoors like some of the others, but then winter happened and it looked like this. So we'll just stay inside nice and warm, shall we? All right, so in this video, look at this monster that I have to demonstrate with. Compliments of Kendama Canada. I'll link them in the description below. We have a really oversized, gigantic Kendama to do our demos with. So fantastic. Thank you, Kendama Canada. In today's video, we're going to do two moves. One is called the traffic circle and the other candy pop. So let's start. We'll take a look at the entire move and then break it down into its components, parts as usual, and that'll give you something new to work on. All right, starting right off with traffic circle. So let's break this trick down. First of all, starting out with the kendama at a horizontal position, just a normal can grip, we're going to pull up and bring the tama onto the big cup. So it's just a regular pull up onto the big cup, using our knees, getting into that good habit to create the momentum of bringing the tama onto the big cup. And then from there, we're sending the kendama out in the direction of our dominant hand and getting it to go into a big circle, a big 360 around in front of us. So again, from the big cup, sending the tama to the right and around 3 circles, and then back up to the big cup. And that is traffic circle. The next trick we're going to learn in this video is called candy pop. And it is a little bit more challenging than traffic circle. So be patient as you practice this trick. It begins with the kendama in a horizontal position and the tama resting still on the end of the string. And then with lots of knee action, we bring the tama up to the base cup. And then it's 1, 2, 3, and onto the big cup. So those are the 3 parts of candy pop. And now let's look at it in one fluid motion. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed traffic circle and candy pop and you give those tricks a try. Thanks a lot for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Click clack!